Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can import products from Aliexpress to your Shopify store. So keep watching till the end to know exactly how to do that. So first of all guys, get into your Shopify admin homepage and then click on apps from over here. And then click on the recommended apps. And then you need to scroll down until you find Shopify App Store. So click on it and you guys will be taken to Shopify App Store. Now what you need to do is to search for an application called This. Here it is, so click on Add App and then tap on Install App. And then you guys will be taken to another page, and now as you can see you need to create an account with This. So just click on Create an Account, or if you already have an account just click on Register You. Then you can create an account for free, and then you need to link your account to Aliexpress. You can sign up if you already had an account, but if you don't, just create an account very fast. So after you finish setting up your account, click on Authorize from over here, and then tap on Let's start importing products. Now all you need to do is import a product from Aliexpress to your Shopify store. You just need to choose the product you want, and then click on this option which says Add to Import List. And then tap on this option which is Go to Import List to check. And as you can see, the product has been added. You can just click on this option, push to Shopify, and click on push to Shopify again. Now you just go back to your Shopify admin and go to your products from over here. And as you guys can see, the product has been added to your Shopify store. You can click on the products if you want to edit your product title or description, etc. And also guys, if you want to add more products, you just need to repeat the same process we just did. So yeah guys, that is basically how you can import products from Aliexpress to your Shopify store. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. Thank you for watching, take care until next time.